Hello friends, welcome in HP GK Hub biology session. Today we will discuss the most important topic of biology, that is photosynthesis. फोटोसिंथेसिस एक ऐसा सेक्शन है बायोलॉजी का जहाँ से आपको हर एग्जाम में फ्रॉम लोअर टू हायर लेवल कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन जरूर देखने को मिलता है। और आज हम यहाँ टॉप 15 क्वेश्चंस सेलेक्ट करके लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए, जो प्रीवियस एग्जाम्स में आपको मैक्सिमम टाइम देखने को मिल रहे हैं। HGK Hub is a platform which provide all kind of crash courses on topics which are related to HG government exams. For detailed study, you can consult our professional on the WhatsApp number 82787-23715. From here, you can get video lectures on the following topics. So let's begin. Let's boost up your knowledge on the topic photosynthesis. First question is, the most crucial step of Calvin cycle is. फ्रेंड्स, आप अपने क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स को टिक कर सकते हो. आई विल गिव यू 5 सेकेंड्स. As you know, a Calvin cycle consists of 3 steps: carboxylation, reduction, regeneration. So, which is the most crucial step in Calvin cycle? It's carboxylation. Next, electrons for reduction reaction of photosynthesis are provided by cytochrome, chlorophyll, NADPH plus H positive or H2O. Yes, you can tick your answers. I will give you 5 seconds. आप लास्ट में अपनी जजमेंट कर सकते हैं कि आप इन टॉप 15 क्वेश्चन में से कितने क्वेश्चंस राइट आंसर कर सकते हो. राइट आंसर इज water molecules. During photosynthesis, electrons are provided by the photolysis of water molecules. These electrons are accepted by photosystem too, and then that system become excited. Clear? Next question is, in a chloroplast, the highest number of protons are found in antenna molecules, lumen of thylakoids, intermembrane space or stroma. Yes, the right answer is lumen of thylakoids. During photosynthesis, when photolysis of water takes place, hydrogen atoms released. These hydrogen atoms are released in the lumen of thylakoids. So, highest number of protons are found in the lumen of thylakoids in the chloroplast. Clear? Next question is, which metal ion is a constant of chlorophyll? Is it iron, manganese, calcium or magnesium? Yes, it's a very easy question. It's magnesium. Magnesium is the right answer. Magnesium is present in the center of the chlorophyll molecule. Next question is, the plant factor affecting photosynthesis is amount of chlorophyll, soil water, sunlight, all of the above. Yes, you can mark your answer. Amount of chlorophyll, soil water, sunlight, all of the above. ये काफ़ी ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है. इसमें मैक्सिमम टाइम स्टूडेंट्स को कन्फ्यूजन हो जाती है कि दैट ऑल ऑफ द अबव, बट नो, द राइट आंसर इज अमाउंट ऑफ chlorophyll. How? Here we will asking for plant factor. However, these all factors affect the process of photosynthesis, but plant factor is amount of chlorophyll. Next question is, in C4 plants, sugar is synthesized in C4 plants, mesophyll cells, palisade mesophyll only, bundle seed cells, spongy mesophyll cells only. Yes, but what will be the right answer? As we know, in C4 plants, there is partition of both types of cells, mesophyll cells and bundle seed cells. Synthesis of sugar takes place in bundle seed cell. The right answer is option C. In mesophyll cells, there is fixation of carbon dioxide, and in bundle seed cells, there is synthesis of carbohydrates, that is sugar. Clear? The next question is, RUBP oxygenase is present in Ruvisco 1,5 bisphosphate oxygenase enzyme is present in peroxisome, mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi bodies. इस क्वेश्चन में भी मैक्सिमम टाइम कंफ्यूजन बन जाती है दैट दिस RUBP ऑक्सीजनेस एंजाइम इज एक्टिव ड्यूरिंग फोटो रेस्पिरेशन, दैट इज C2 साइकिल. तो स्टूडेंट्स कई बार ये हो जाता है कि C2 साइकिल्स में तो पेरोक्सिसोम इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है, तो मे बी इट्स पेरोक्सिसोम, बट नो, द राइट आंसर इज क्लोरोप्लास्ट. RUBP oxygenase or carboxylase both are present in chloroplast. When concentration of oxygen is high in, then RUBP act as oxygenase, and when concentration of carbon dioxide is high, then it's act as carboxylase. So it's commonly also known as Ruvisco, ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. Clear? The next question is, in C4 plants can absorb carbon dioxide from bicarbonates, from much high concentration of carbon dioxide, from carbonates, from much low concentration of carbon dioxide. It's a specialty of C4 plants. Yes, you can take your right answer. The right answer is much low concentration. C4 plants can absorb carbon dioxide from its much low concentration. This is a specialty of C4 plants. That's why their productivity and yields is higher than C3 plants. Clear? Next question. Jet scheme is related to formation of oxygen, NADPH reducing power, ATP, or all of the above. So, yes, you can mark your answer. The right answer can be, as we know, jet scheme involve both cyclic as well non-cyclic photophosphorylation. It's a coupling process, couple of cyclic or non-cyclic photophosphorylation. So, in this process, all the above are formed in this scheme. Next, quantum yield in photosynthesis is 8%, 9%, 12%, 33%. It's the most important questions, and you can see maximum time comes in exams. Is it 8%, 9%, 12 or 33%? The right answer is approx 12% quantum yield in photosynthesis. Next is source of carbon dioxide for photosynthesis during day in CAM plants is source of carbon dioxide during day in CAM plants. CAM plants, crassulaceous acid metabolism performing plants. Generally, these includes xerophytes, succulent xerophytes, belongs to family Euphorbiaceae and Crassulaceae. That's why these are known as CAM plants, crassulaceous acid metabolism. So, what is the source of carbon dioxide here? 3-phosphoglycerate, malic acid, oxaloacetic acid, or pyruvate. Yes, you can guess your answer. Its source of carbon dioxide for photosynthesis is malic acid in case of CAM plants during day. CAM plants में क्या रहता है friends? During night, carbon dioxide fixation takes place, and this fixed carbon dioxide is stored in the form of malic acid in cell vacuole. And during day, this malic acid is utilized as a source of carbon dioxide, and Calvin cycle is performed. Clear? Now, next question is, photophosphorylation takes place in chloroplast, mitochondria, peroxisome, Golgi body, and endoplasmic reticulum. You can answer. Take your answer. Take 5 seconds. Phosphorylation, as we know, phosphorylation is the synthesis of ATP molecule. So it takes place in mitochondria. Option B is the right answer. Next, last question. A process that makes important difference between C3 and C4 plants. What is the process that makes major difference between C3 and C4 plants? On which basis we differentiate plants on C3 and C4 plants? Is it transpiration, glycolysis, photosynthesis, or photorespiration? Yes, you can guess your answer. As I have already told you guys that C4 plants yield is much higher as compared to C3 plants. C4 plants की जो yield रहती है वो higher रहती है as compared to C3 plants. तो उसका क्या reason रहता है? Because C3 plants perform photorespiration and C4 plants lack photorespiration. So right answer is photorespiration. Photorespiration is the basis of energy, and that's why yield of C4 plants is higher as compared to C3 plants, and this process makes difference between C3 and C4 plants. So I think all questions are clear.